We're turning this $600 sports quad into the beast that it's meant to be. In this video we are putting a new graphics kit on the quad and brand new Ultra Shock suspension. This is turning out to be one of the most insane quads we have ever restored.
So what's going on, Brock?
Gonna shine up the old girl.
Shining her up, huh?
She's getting a new look.
She's getting a new look, and you guys already know what she looks like. This is part of the quad restoration, and we got new plastics already. The seat's coming eventually. Probably, what seat you going with?
Red with some black accents, and it's probably gonna say Polaris on it. I mean, it's not Polaris cover, but
Oh,
it's an aftermarket one that just looks super good.
yeah. This is the Torley edition, so that's why the frame's black. It's actually factory black.
Yep, that's
But
not.
someone must have busted up an A-arm. They put just a normal A-arm on it. That's why it's silver.
Yeah, the guy I bought it from, he said he had an 03 parts quad that they kind of just threw one together and sold it, which showed a lot, but
Yeah, they just cobbled this thing barely enough to run.
pretty much.
That was about it. So she's coming along. We didn't talk about this in the last video that we did, but you know, we got elbow Nerf bars and
new shifter.
yep. You can't find OEM shifters, so Brock was lucky enough to find this company. I never heard of them, but
I got like one of the last ones left. That I could
that's
find.
surprising. It's got a full HMF exhaust. We need to get rid of that stupid heat shield.
I think I might just take it off and paint it. I kind of do like it.
It just doesn't. Is that the OEM one? It
It's
just.
an OEM one.
Oh, okay. This HMF's just shaped differently, and that's why none of the bolts line up.
I don't know. I might take it off. I haven't really
I
decided
don't know.
yet.
It just looks dumb.
It does.
You got new shocks coming on it, don't you?
Yeah. I was trying
this
to find
all this work just to trail ride it.
dunes.
And
I like to jump. You can't jump right now because these are so blown out.
yeah,
It's all spring right now.
we could rebuild it, but Brock wants to start brand new, I guess.
I was gonna have a couple hundred in the rebuilding, and I couldn't find the upgraded piggyback podiums for the front because I really wanted those. Gotta do some handlebar mods here soon. I'm gonna put a fat bar on it because these are not OEM bars at all,
Nope.
and they don't even really fit everything on it.
OEM bar don't have this. These are actually KTM bars, and
Pretty sure.
there's not enough space to add more things on here, so we can't put hand grips or nothing on it right
There's
now.
actually not enough space to even have the brake on right. I mean,
It's barely
I'm
on.
pulling it up.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get some rate bars for it. Got some sweet hand guards on there. This doesn't hurt the pains, I don't know what will. Beautiful. So majestic.
So majestic and cool.
How can you just not look at it and just like, It's amazing.
I think you need to find a girlfriend.
No, I have one right here.
This is the girlfriend.
Cost me less money. Lets me ride it whenever I want. What else do you need?
Oh yeah. So who's this graphics kit by?
I don't remember.
eBay special?
Yeah,
Pretty much.
but it's pretty good quality.
Yeah, it seems pretty good. I would say it's a little bit better than the Kemimoto one.
There was a different
But-
one that was like, what was it? It's like 16 mil or something. It was super thick, but they didn't have style on it. Whatever.
Yeah, these are pre-made, so it just comes with.
Pretty much.
I don't even know if this is technically legal to have all these logos on here, but so we're going with the orange, red, and green look.
Yep.
So I think the orange hubs will look good on there. I didn't realize you had that much orange. I forgot about the orange.
I kind of forgot what it looked like, to be honest.
I thought you had a red one. It was red and green.
I really don't remember.
Oh yeah.
Even though it looks like they messed up my name a little bit, but I don't know why it's capitalized.
Yeah, gave you 2 capital G's.
Whatever.
So the scrub put his last name on it, other than the scrub, and did not put Brapaholic or anything else on it.
We know it for next time. Alright, I wasn't thinking.
Clearly, Monster got O'Neill, Yoshimura, Fly. Man, they got all kinds of them. Shoal. So technically, we're gonna have to do a little bit of custom work on the graphics kit because these fenders are actually aftermarket, and the front is actually different than OEM. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of finagling for that. Everything else should be fairly similar. There might be a section here that ain't gonna have any stickers because on OEM this piece of plastic technically comes back to here. On OEM plastic, this ain't here. This design's way better than OEM, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. We'll see how it goes. On the pictures on the internet, this dark orange, which you can even kind of tell now, it's pretty close to this red, but it's orange. It was supposed to be red, so a little disappointed in the color accuracy, but it's okay. It's close enough, and it'll match the springs and the wheel hubs of the shocks and stuff. So, but it's going together pretty good. The quality's it's good. I would say it's mediocre quality. It's going on really good. It's nice having clean plastics and stuff that aren't too scuffed up.
It makes it a lot easier.
Well, we're about done. I'm a little bit disappointed in this section right here. There's literally no stickers for it. Pretty sure that these pieces right here go here, but for this black piece, because for this type of plastic, we had to cut this fender up off, so this would, go over top of that. I'm pretty sure that's where it goes. We might put these somewhere, maybe right there. We're not sure yet, but yeah, otherwise, I mean, the quality seems pretty good, but like I said, I just wish it covered a little bit more stuff, but otherwise, not too shabby. And really the front part, we didn't really have to modify at all. We got this little weird, there's supposed to be a vent here on the OEM plastic, so that's normally supposed to be missing. Probably just gonna throw a sticker right there or something. Or I can make something in the Cricut maybe. I don't know. It's up to you, Brock. But oh yeah, Brapaholic logo. There we go. But you have all kinds of space for Brapaholic decals, Brock. I don't know what you were thinking.
Yes, that's true.
I can put some Brapaholic stuff right here.
Gilbert's like, yeah, that'll work.
What do you think, Gilbert? Is it Gilbert approved? Yeah. Okay. He agrees. What arrived today, Brock?
Something I've been waiting for a very long time. I've been dreaming of this moment since I've been a little boy. And now I have money to purchase things.
I've always wanted these types of shocks too. So we'll have to see how good they actually are.
Yeah, so these are clapped out.
Clapped out Fox shocks.
Which, whatever. I was going to put piggybacks on. But everyone bought them up. Because you can put piggyback podiums and build them, and they're actually really good shock.
Yeah. Yep.
But the price of me finding podium piggybacks and then having to put what I want done to it, it was actually cheaper to find this set of Elkas that were literally installed on a machine for a project. The guy changed his mind and sold them for like two-thirds of the price.
So he says.
So yeah. So this unopened box here.
We just opened it. What we got? Looks like it was packed pretty decently.
Oh yeah. Got some stickers for Wyatt's quad.
Yeah. Or my toolbox.
Or this toolbox. I'm a huge supporter of that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
You know, we can't even use a knife because I can't damage these bad boys. Yeah.
Those are pretty sexy looking.
I might need a minute alone.
Oh boy. All right. Oh wow, a Honda in tore pieces. That's normal. Oh, there we go. You done now?
No. Okay, I feel better now. Let's get back to four-wheelers.
Oh.
All right. If I can get this packaging open.
We might as well just use that knife.
Dude, no. I ain't putting... No. I'm gonna get too excited and jittery and I'm gonna cut my paint job.
We got triple...
Supposed to be a triple rate setup.
Triple... That's a quadruple rate setup.
There's three.
It's got 3 tender springs plus the main spring.
Oh. I guess I didn't say that. I can't count.
Jeez. I've never seen a quadruple spring before.
Hey, with the Predator, we don't mess around. Budget is not an option unless I was looking at some Yermosi suspension for my handlebars. No, we ain't doing that. That was like $400.
Well, not yet, anyways.
No, not unless someone's willing to give me a steal deal or sponsor.
Sponsorship, that'd be great.
But I can't rule it out yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just come here. Come in here. Just look at that. If that doesn't hurt your panties, I don't even know.
Those are
what
pretty
will.
nice. How much did this break the bank? I mean, do you want to know? Are you willing to tell her, buddy, or?
I got all front and rear for $750. Like I said, the guy installed it once. I mean, there's not even a scratch on it. There's still some of the original zip ties.
He either had a really tough time selling these, or that's just, I don't know.
I mean, the one on here, somewhere around here, had the tag on it. I think he might have took it off and shipped it, but it had the tag on it. The guy literally, he wanted me to call him just to make sure,
Yeah.
he told me what was going on.
Was this eBay?
Yeah, he had it posted a lot of places. And yeah, he'd straight up just call. I actually called the guy because I was a little weary at first.
Yeah.
And these were going for about, I don't know, they were like $1,700 or something.
Yeah.
So I seen that he wanted almost $900 for him. Like, hey, you take $750? He's like, yep. I was like, shoot, I think I actually gotta buy them.
Gotta commit.
Pretty much. So here we are, because I'm tired of being sore. With
It
these
just
clapped out suspension.
Well, and yeah.
Every time I wheelie or whatever, bottoms out, go to hit a jump, bottom out, and then we like to go hard. And this will allow me to. And it's already set up for my weight, so it was
I haven't decided yet, but there's literally so much hose here. We don't know what to do with it. Not sure if it was for something custom or what, but it's a lot of hose.
yeah, way too much.
But we're gonna do a little test run. We've literally done 0 adjustments on it. I filled them up to 200 psi of nitrogen because they were all at 50 to 75. So at least the nitrogen's good. Just the spring loads need to be adjusted for Brock because the scrub is, scrub. So fronts are already way better. There's no sag on them hardly. We got some adjustments on the front, but that's honestly, they're probably perfect. There's only that's like an inch worth of slack, which is somewhat what you want. So front's probably pretty good. We'll see. Freaking rips. It already looks better, just from you getting on it. Yeah. Oh, it's sitting tall. No, not really. I mean, you can see it pivoting way different than it normally does. I don't know.
Before it was all the way bottomed out.
Yeah, it's pivoting different. It looks a lot comfy already. you're gonna struggle with your wheelies now because it ain't sagging so much. There's a deer over there. Right there. It's like, ah, shit. That looked like such a good landing. The hay's kind of hiding the height of this trail a little bit. The deer over there is like, where do I go? Looking good.
It's freaking rips.
It looks like it.
Yeah, not pushing it very hard since I have a helmet on, but
Yeah.
she's definitely a lot stiffer now, which is good.
Mm-hmm. It looks like the landing is less aggressive.
Yeah,
It's taking it.
feels a lot better. I mean,
Yeah.
I can soften them up a little bit in the front.
Yeah, I think the fronts are a little
I think
stiff.
my compression pretty high.
They're all the way up.
Yep.
I'll turn it down like 4 notches or something. That's what I did on mine. I had mine dialed pretty good. I turned the compression halfway, and then I had the spring load pretty stiff. That rode good.
Feels good. I'm happy with it. Definitely got some tuning to do and figure out this stupid friggin' hose. Really disappointed.
Yeah. Figure it out. Find a spot to put it somewhere.
I'm just gonna get a different hose.
Yeah. I don't know if that's just standard or someone custom ordered it that long. I don't know how the reservoirs on that go.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm guessing they ordered it extra long so they had room to play with, but that's a
Yeah.
lot of, that's too much. It's
Yeah,
ridiculous.
that is ridiculous. Anyways, it looks good. Hopefully it works out for you.
It's a lot better than what I had.
She's going to be a straight ripper here soon, and she's already there. It's going to be even more.
She'll be just about how I want.
Tune up the carb a little bit, 'cause we got stage 1 in it right now. And
A little lean on the top end.
yeah.
Maybe the pilot's a little lean too. I don't know. Still
Carburetors are annoying.
Still learning the carb game, but we're gonna figure it out.
Yep. Alright. That's it for this video. Peace out. Oh yeah, we got it. There you go. Oh yeah, you got a nice log right here.
Alright, yeah.
Log in there.
Oh yeah.
What happened? What is that? It's a log. Are you serious?
Jeez.
Don't
Yeah.
Wow. Joke's on me. Joke's on